Hey friends, welcome back to another video. If you missed the first video, well, I am in Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria. Today's video, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna keep exploring and walking around and enjoy this beautiful city. Right now I'm actually in NDK Park. This is like a cool large building. We're not gonna go there, but I'm gonna go back to the city now and explore more of this beautiful Sofia. You've got to see this cool looking underground shop. I'm gonna get like a bottle of water. I think it's a very cool place. There's the shop underground. Здравейте. You go on your knees. Like look, I'm like on my knees here. Здравейте. And you don't get any service then because it is underground. Nobody here. There's no bell. What a luck. No, I want to get a bottle of water. No? Nobody here. Ah well. How long do we wait for? To get like a service? Maybe it's because underground. Wow. Okay. No. Well, at least we got it. We didn't get the water, but we got to see an underground shop here in Sofia. Let's walk in the alleys here in Sofia. There is like a cafe I want to check out, so I'm gonna go to it now. Maybe grab like tea or coffee and see what's it like. But I'm also gonna comment a little bit on the way about like the alleys here because they're like very cool. Look at this. One second you're in a very busy street and then another second it's super quiet, you know. And like the ground is the ground is stone and shaky, like you can see the cars. And this is like an old building. It's so cool, like the architecture here. I love it. Very nice, very kind of like, it's not modernized. I like it. They kept like the city as it is for years. Coming on to the cafe right now. Yeah, this is the flag here. Yep, this is it. And it's called the apartment, by the way, in case you are guys wondering. And it is an apartment. Look at this for an entrance. They changed it a lot. Здравейте. Hello. Are you open? Sorry? It's not allowed filming. Ah, okay. Okay. There's no problem.
Pictures sometimes here, but pictures, you don't know what people wear.
It's a very nice place. I've been here before. And I have YouTube, so I wanted to show it. Sorry about this. Thank you so much. Unfortunately, no filming allowed inside, so I will go to another place. It's okay. I respect their opinion. But I had a really quite interesting conversation with the owner. He seems like a cool dude, but no filming. It's alright. Let's head over to grab something to eat. I want to grab something light, you know, some lunch. Здравейте. One. Shawarma. Meat. بحكي عربي. طب نحكي بالعربي طيب. بدي اكل شاورما لحم.
لحمة. شو احكي فيها؟
على اصولها. على اصولها. وتوصى فينا باللحمة لو سمحت.
يا صاحب.
شكرا كثير. This is how it is from inside. Okay. First bite, big bite. just had the shawarma now, the food. For those who are curious, it was like 7 level, which is about $350. It was really good. It was definitely good. But I noticed also something that is very important. Since I arrived here now and walking around and buying different things, because I've been here before and I used to live in Sofia. The prices definitely has changed. Like I can notice the rates of things that I'm buying, from whether a coffee or a shawarma or a baklava or anything I'm buying. There is also like, I can feel how the prices has changed. Now regardless, it's everywhere in Europe. The inflation is real. It's happening all around the world, and especially in Europe, but it's very noticeable. Anyway, enough about the inflation and the prices. Let's head over to the park. I want to take a walk in the park and then go and catch a metro and show you the metro system here. By the way, I'm going back into some of the things that I have vlogged already and announcing the show Limitless Borders, and what I mean by it and the reason why I'm doing it as well. So I feel like when I was at the other park mentioning and announcing the Limitless Borders show, I explained it very well. I'm just like going back in my mind and trying to remember what I said. Look, the reason for the show is there is differences between traveling by plane and traveling by land. Traveling by plane, even when you arrive into immigration, dealing with immigration officers, it can be okay in airports. It's not, but it can be okay. Now, traveling by land, it's a little bit more daunting. It's a little bit more of exhilaration feeling, and it's never predictable. And that's something that I really enjoy doing. I enjoy traveling by land, crossing one country to another. And Limitless Borders show is an idea where it's going to be documenting the trip from point A, where I live, to arrive to the border and cross the border and arrive into point B. This journey, I think it is extremely interesting in any border crossing that anybody who would travel would understand. You know, it's not just only about, you know, crossing from A to B to me. Like I love border crossing because there are so many things you can see, and they're all different. It's not like the airports. You go to any airports in the world, it's all the same thing, man. You know, you get like the duty-free place, you get the shops, you get no matter how the size of the airport is, it's always like, you know, it's the same thing. There are planes, it's just the same thing, you know. But in border crossing, it's completely different, and I want to experience that, and also I want to highlight it and document it throughout the trip. That's really it. That's what Limitless Borders is all about. Nothing is planned. Nothing is organized, as always. But we'll get there. Let's head over to the metro and grab a metro and head home and end the vlog there. Arriving to Vasil Levitsky Stadium Metro. Look at this for an entrance to a metro. Like, you gotta give it to them respect. So cool. But I think this is the exit, right? Or we need to get a ticket anyway. This is exit. Okay. English, single card, with bank card. Please insert your bank card and follow the instruction displayed in the terminal. There is no touch. Oh, there is. Approved. Okay. So there it is. Which direction am I going? I have absolutely no idea. I should have checked that, but there are two ways. And how long is the ticket for?
It's one. Is it a ticket or a card?
No, it's a ticket. I bought just now from the machine.
Just one time.
One time, but it's
You can
same.
transfer.
You can transfer. Okay.
If you use the metro very often and you're not sure where to go, you can buy a card for 1 day.
How much is the car for 1 day?
It's 4 leva only.
Ah,
So you
but
can-
only for metro or
No,
tram
you
as well?
can use it everywhere.
Ah, man, that would have been handy.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
now I know.
And,
Now I know. And where do you buy them from?
Upstairs.
It's in the machine
No,
or
no, not
the person,
You need to
right?
ask the
person,
ladies there,
okay.
and they put a stamp on it that it's for a day.
Yeah. Very noisy here. The tram is here. The metro is here.
Yeah,
You need to
right.
grab it. But look at this, how they put this here. Protector.
That's not to touch it.
Ah, look. I know you're not supposed to touch it, yeah. Okay, if you put something like this, I have to touch. Alright, where I'm going, I need to transfer to line 2. And here's the transfer section. So if I wanted to exit, I would have gone upstairs. But transfer line 2 is here. And walk through the tunnel. Wow. Cool metro system. Very cool metro system here. If you notice, there isn't the bars here, like the metro stop that I had previously before the change. There used to be like a yellow in the other one, like a covers. In this stop, there isn't. The last one, it was new. I've never seen this before, even though I used that metro stop a lot. Right, I don't know if I got this on camera, but oof, popping ears there. But the off-duty police guy came to me at the metro and he said like, no cameras here. And I was like, okay bro, I'm not sure if I got it on camera. And it started raining as well. So I think it's a great time to end this video because I'm gonna escape this rain. And thank you for watching as always. See you in the next one.